Hello guys, today we will discuss what is data manipulation language and what is data query language. Data manipulation language means it is used to manipulate or change data, not structure. We are having data. To change that data, we used this DML command. So the three commands are insert, update, delete. So now the second question is what is data query language? So data query language is used to query or select data. So we have a select command for that. So we will discuss insert, update, delete in the next slide and the select command. So the first command is insert command, which is used to insert or add data into a table. So what is the syntax for that? We will use insert keyword that into the table name. Then we will give the column name, column 1, column 2 with the help of comma, and then the values. Like in column 1 the value will be this one, in column 2 the value will be this one, and the column 3 the value will be this one. Or we can use insert same thing into table name, and we can directly give the values, but it should be in the systematic order, like column 1 value should be in this place, then column 2 value, then column 3 value. So this is one example, like insert into the table name is student and the values are this. Shubhi is the first column name value, then the 13 is the column value 2, and the 12 is the column value 3. The second command which is used is update. It is used to modify the existing data. Suppose we have a data and we want to change some records in that, then we can use this update command. So how we can use it? We have to use that update keyword, then we can give the table name, then we have to use this set word, then we can give the column 1, then the value of that column, column 2 the value of that column, and when we can give the where condition, like what will be the condition on which we are updating the values. So let me give you one example. Update, the table name is student, the column name id is 10, section is 10. So these two values we have changed, where the name is Shubhi, so these two values will get changed to 10. Third command which is used is delete command. So it is used to delete a particular row or a set of rows. So this is the delete command. How we can use it? Delete from a table name and where some conditions are given. So delete from the table name is student, where name is Shubhi. So these three commands, insert, update, delete, are data manipulation commands. Now we will discuss data query commands. So we have one command, select command, which is used to select the data from the table. So we can use select star from the table name. While using star, it is used to select all the columns in the table. So suppose there are 5 columns, then all the columns will be displayed. Or you can use this select column 1, column 2 from the table name, which is used to select some particular columns. Suppose in a table there are 5 columns, but you only need information of 2 columns, so you can use name and id from this thing. So I will give you one live example in SQL. So we will check it. So we are using select command. So see, this is the column name, id, section and gender, and these are the data, Ram and Shubhi. So with the help of this command you will get all the information in this table. But if you want only 2 columns, suppose name and id, then you can use this command. Now the only information of name and id will be displayed, so you can decide depending upon the conditions. Now we will insert some new values in that. So we will use the insert command if you want to add one new row. So these are the values which is given. So I will add one new column, new row. So now we will check whether it is inserted or not. It is showing like query executed successfully. So now we can check. Now you can see these new row is added, like should be 13, 12 and the female. Now suppose if you want to update all these column name like set id section to 10, then you can use this update command, update, then the table name, then we will use set command, and we can give the column name and the values. So let me cover this thing. Now we will check, it should change it to 10, 10, 10. Now you can see in both the rows the values are changed to 10 and 10. At last we will see the delete command. So these two rows should be deleted because we are deleting the name which your name is Shubhi. So we are deleting that student table where only that name is Shubhi. So I will execute this thing. Now we will check. Now you can see only 2 records are there. So in this way we can use like data manipulation command and the data query language. So thank you guys.